All right, everyone. Here's that HELWOOD steel trailer. It's a 1998. Overall fit and finish of this trailer is pretty good. It's got great tires, great brakes. Two of the tires and two of the brakes I think are all brand new. Newer tarp. The one area, there'll be some pictures from the inside of the hopper where you can see a patch welded on. The one area where it did have some issues, you can see right here. The way it was made, they overlapped this bottom sheet over the top of this one here. If they'd done it the other way around, the moisture would have went out. She rotted along that seam. You can see there was a whole area there, and you can see the weld seam up here. There's a sheet of steel welded on the inside on both front and rear hopper. Don't want you to be surprised. Overall, the rest of this trailer is in good shape, got a lot of life left, and that has been repaired, so she's turnkey, ready to go. Just wanted you to see that so you know what you're looking at.